So welcome back in the new video. In this video I'm going to discuss what is inclusion in Ansible. So what Ansible do is, suppose we have one YAML file that contains certain tasks, so that YAML file we can call in the another YAML file that contains playbook. It means certain task is included in written in one YAML file that will be executed if it is imported in another, or if it is called in another playbook. So how we can do that, let me show you. So first I'm going to create my requirement is to use the inclusion to deploy the web servers. So I will have one task folder and one bars folder. So inside task folder, what we will do is I will write task that will install the package and start the HTTP package. So to install the package we use umodule. Let's go to example section, copy and paste it here. Now we need to start the service. So for that the module name is service. Go to example section and copy it and paste it here. So I will just correct the indentation here. So seems fine. Now I will add one parameter enabled, so that it will be enabled even the server is rebooted. Let's get out from the tasks folder and go to the bars directory. I will create my bars.yaml file and I will put here the packages that I want to install. So beside the web server I also want to install the two packages. Suppose say MariaDB pkg, this is variable name. I want to install this package. Another suppose smtp package. For this the package will be postfix. Now we will come out from this bars directory. So we have created my task YAML inside this task folder that will install and start the service. Bars contains the few variables. Now I will create one main playbook called myweb.yaml, right? And we will call both the YAML file that we created earlier to this main playbook. So inclusion, I will do the task on suppose say dev group. I will create a variable called src file, and this variable will contain the index.html. This will contain index.html file. Now I will write the task here. So now I will call the my tasks. So we can use include task and the path of the file. So my task.yaml, and then I will call the bars. Now calling this my task.yaml, it will install and start the services. Now we need to allow the port. So for that the module is firewall-d. So let's go to the example, copy it and paste it here. So since I'm going to use the port HTTP, so I will do this one. I will add one parameter, immediate is equal to true, that so that it will the firewall will be automatically taking the effect. So I think the indentation is not correct. Yeah, seems correct now. Now for the web server to work, I have to copy the index.html file. So copy index file. So now the source file variable name is src file, so I will just paste it here. Now destination file name is this one, so copy and paste it here. So now we have copied. Now I want to use this variables as well, I mean this parse file as well, and it contains the list of variable that needs to be installed. So to install package, we know we use umodule. Now name, since in the bars here we have two packages, more than one package, so instead of writing here I will just hit enter and then dash and then double quote, double semi curly bracket and the variable name. So the name is MariaDB pkg, so let's paste it here. Another variable is smtp pkg, so I will just copy this. Now as per the syntax, I also need to specify the state here, so I want latest version, so I will just save this and check the syntax of this playbook. Syntax is fine. Let's run the playbook. Okay, so my task is called, and inside the task we have just install and started the service. Now variable is calling, now port is allowed, copy index.html is done, and then package is installed. So let's verify now if the tasks are done or not. So call. Okay, so web server is working fine. We have index.html file as well as the current location. So and to verify the SMTP and MariaDB is installed or not, we can use Ansible and dev command module -a for argument and then rpm-q MariaDB and postfix. Yeah, so if you see here 101, both package is installed. So in this way we can create one YAML file and call it into another YAML main playbook, so that the task that is mentioned in my task.yaml is executed. So thanks for watching the video.